你妈的，太多是 light. I don't think he'll be happy. I also very friendly, you know. It's two countries.
You have no intention of doing that. Like you are.
你跟他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？你问他我很友好不？ And my colonel wants. 我现在过去行不行
ask
you if I drive the car to that she fussies is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that area is as per Indian man is our border between.
好，你妈的给我get 过！你跟他讲，
That point in
现在你把给我付，否则有事情点你妈直接后果他们知道。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
we will raise. Okay, if we are given orders, if we have to hit that point, then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
colonel
some
wants to
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
order.
tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
Go
ensure.
back right
We
now.
will go right.
And if
We have no
if
intention
I have any arguments, you will undertake the hospitals, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India and China are very friendly countries.
不想打这就不问。
We will go back. But the point is, the way you are hitting
你
our
跟他讲，我今天非常是吃不。
that's very wrong. Okay, that's not the way.
If
we
you
have-
don't want
if we
to
have some
fight each
miscommunication-
other.
see, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss.
不，
Okay,
老子不喜欢他们。
again, we are go back right now. We are going right.
Okay.
We are going right
My
now.
colonel don't want
We
to
are already
argue
going.
with you.
It's your vehicle that come in front of us. That's why we stop.
你们今天我非常吃不。
Okay.
你说他妈的，我今天过了他，你给他讲，他妈的保证有我，不然今天他们都死到这地方。
Commander is talking loudly. I told him that we'll go back. So you are expecting.